Welcome to my unboxing of the Ducky Shine 2. This is a mechanical keyboard. It has Cherry MX blue switches, it's got a white LED backlight, and it's a very nice keyboard. It's made by Ducky. The model number is DK9008. So let's get it open. So what we have here is the keyboard itself, little plastic covering. Here's the keyboard. Just pop that for now. Here's an instruction manual in Chinese and English. It tells you about all the LED customization modes, so that's useful. So under this box we have detachable USB, so you can plug one end of the USB, I think it's the mini USB, to the keyboard and plug it into your computer. You have some red keycaps for the WASD keys for gamers, and you have a keycap remover, so that's very useful. So onto the keyboard itself, what we got here is pretty much a mechanical keyboard. It's Cherry MX blue switches, so they click once you reach about halfway, and it's a very tactile switch. So here's the keycap puller offer thingy. Just use that, pull it off. That didn't work. Let's try it this way. Yeah, there you go. And as you can see, the mechanical switch is blue. That's why they're called Cherry MX blue switches. They're made by Cherry, and it's a very nice sort of keyboard feel. So thank you for watching my quick unboxing of the Ducky Shine 2, and please subscribe and like this video.